Within Catia, we have the possibility to use geometrical set and order geometrical set. Now, let's see what will be the main difference between those two. For additional information, we can check over here on Catia free.fr. This will be the online documentation. And as you can see over here, geometrical sets enable to gather various features in a small set or subset. Now, the main difference between those two is that within the order geometrical set, we can specify to define at the current set. So that means, for example, over here, I have this part open. Currently, this is within an order geometrical set. We see the rectangle over here. If I will do an extrude, and afterwards, if I will do a fill for the bottom over here, we're going to see that we have the extrude and afterwards the fill. If I will go on to extrude, I can just define in work object only until this section over here, and the fill will not be active over here. If I want to also activate the fill, I can just define in work object. So this will act the same as a part body. And if I will go over here and I will create, for example, a new plane, in this case, I will go upwards, for example, at 50, and I will create a new geometrical set. I can also specify which will be the parent of this. So in this case, the father. That can be either part 1, or I can use other existing geometrical sets over here. So I'm just going to make this part 1. If you will not add a name, this will automatically receive an incremental name, so geometrical set 5. We see that this is the active one since it will be underlined. And if I will do the same over here, so I will create, initially I need to define a sketch, so I can extrude that. So I selected that plane. I will create a new rectangle over here. We see the sketch will be docked over here under the geometrical set. If I will do the extrude, that will also be docked over here. And again, if I will do a fill over here, that will be the fill. I have the possibility to right click on the extrude and define a work object, and we see the difference is that the fill will still be active. So even though I only specify this to be defined in work object, just like I did previously over here, we're gonna see that difference. So that's the main difference between order geometrical set and normal geometrical set. For additional information regarding this, I will copy this link within the video description, and I encourage you to check this. As we can also do some various aspects, so we can define an work object, but we can also do some removing. So as we can see over here, we can change various features within a geometrical set. And we can also do a reordering of the components. So if you would like to have the offset done in front of a split, and afterwards we can have that split, we can use the reorder section over here to do that. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side and the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.